everyone, Alex Knight here, Field Agronomist in North Central Ohio. Today we've been out in some soybean fields planted April 6th and evaluating how those stands are doing and what those soybean plants look like. Since the date of April 6th, we've accumulated approximately 47 growing degree units. To see actual emergence, what we tend to need is between 90 and 120 growing degree units. We're still probably a week or so before seeing these plants emerging from underground. On the date that these soybeans were planted, we were looking at soil temperatures at about 2 inches underground, being around 52 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, however, on April 15th, we're looking at soil temperatures of 38 degrees Fahrenheit. So quite a fluctuation in the weather we've been seeing the last week or so. As we think about soybean planting, that first 24 to 48 hours is going to be critical. The first 24 hours is when we see the bulk of water uptake to lead to germination in soybean plants. With that being said, soybean plants are going to imbibe about 50% of their weight in water in order to germinate. So if in that first 24 to 48 hours, we have a really large rain event that's really cool, say below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or so, we can certainly see some imbibitional chilling, which can lead to ultimately a lower stand due to plant death. Another thing to consider is that these cool temperatures are going to leave our soybeans more susceptible than our corn plants. Once soybeans are emerged, that growing point is going to be above ground, whereas corn plants keep that growing point below ground for a longer period of time. This means that during frost events early, those soybean plants are going to be more susceptible. This is likely why we've traditionally seen corn planted before soybeans. With that being said, we want to keep in mind that we want those consistent 50 degree Fahrenheit soil temperatures in the forecast in order to be planting our beans. And secondly, we want to make sure 24 to 48 hours following that soybean planting that we're not seeing a heavy, cool rain event. Thanks for joining today. I hope you all have a safe and happy planting season.
That concludes this Pioneer Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.